Charles Atlas built the most famous muscular physique of the 20th century without ever touching a single protein powder. He simply ate cheap and humble food straight from the neighborhood grocery store. Today, we finally know his 63-cent meals were actually an absolute masterclass in human biology. Researchers at elite institutions like Harvard Medical School have now confirmed this fact. They proved that these specific ancestral food combinations forcefully outperform isolated modern supplements in highly measurable ways. Before we begin, tell us in the comments what cheap everyday food you remember from your childhood. Tell us what seemed to keep everyone strong and lean without even trying. We are actively reading and replying to every single comment with personalized dietary tips for your specific situation. Now let us go back in time to fix your aging muscles, starting with number 4. Number 4, the Atlas breakfast, soft-boiled eggs with blackstrap molasses. In the 1930s, this exact pairing was the standard morning fuel for working men and physical culturists alike. Charles Atlas built the most famous muscular physique of the 20th century. He did this by starting every single morning with whole eggs and a spoonful of blackstrap molasses. Back then, it was considered nothing more than cheap and accessible calories to start the day. Today, modern science has revealed that it was a biologically perfect, complete morning fuel. The whole egg delivers a complete amino acid profile to starving muscles. The saturated fat in the yolk activates the digestion and absorption of that precise protein. The blackstrap molasses is the dark and bitter byproduct of the sugar refining process. It provides a highly concentrated hit of iron, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. These essential minerals are exactly what turn the egg protein into usable muscle material. They stop the protein from just passing harmlessly through your body. This is huge because most seniors skip real nutrition at breakfast without even realizing it. A soft-boiled egg keeps the yolk completely intact and runny. This specific cooking method preserves phosphatidylcholine. Phosphatidylcholine is a vital compound in the yolk that supports cell membrane integrity and provides choline, a critical nutrient for muscle function and nerve signaling. Blackstrap molasses adds approximately 20% of your daily iron requirement in one single spoonful. It also provides 15% of your daily magnesium per tablespoon. These are two vital minerals that are critically low in most adults over the age of 60. They are directly responsible for mitochondrial energy production inside every single muscle cell. Without adequate iron, your body simply cannot carry enough oxygen to your working muscles. This physiological bottleneck is exactly why so many seniors feel breathless and heavy-legged during basic daily activity. This ancestral breakfast costs under 35 cents and solves that exact problem at the root. Researchers from the University of Illinois confirmed this powerful mechanism. They found that whole egg consumption produced a significantly greater muscle-building response after light exercise in older adults. This was compared to egg white consumption alone. The nutrient matrix in the intact yolk was identified as the active difference driving the results. When you pair this complete protein with molasses, you create a powerful biological environment. The body immediately utilizes those amino acids. The iron delivers the fresh oxygen needed for the metabolic work of building new muscle tissue. Your body completely stops scavenging from your existing muscle tissue and starts actively rebuilding it. You simply need to boil your eggs soft and swallow one single spoon of molasses. It really is that simple to start. Number 3, the Atlas lunch, sardine and lentil mash on rye. In the middle of the 20th century, canned fish and root legumes were the absolute foundation of the working-class lunch. Charles Atlas built his heavy midday meal around this remarkably dense and slow-digesting protein. He combined it with a thick fiber base. This base kept his body fueled through his grueling afternoon training sessions. He never once experienced a sudden blood sugar crash or a midday energy collapse. We now understand the profound biological mechanism behind this exact combination of everyday foods. It delivers complete protein, slow carbohydrate omega-3 fats, and resistant fiber in one single serving. Each individual ingredient completely fills a nutritional gap that the others leave empty. Sardines provide structural creatine, omega-3s, and complete protein, but they contain absolutely no dietary fiber. Lentils provide slow-release glucose, iron, and folate to sustain energy. But lentil protein is entirely incomplete without a complementary amino acid source to pair with it. Dark rye provides a dense, resistant starch that actively feeds your gut bacteria. These microscopic bacteria are responsible for producing short-chain fatty acids inside your digestive tract. These specific compounds forcefully reduce muscle inflammation. They improve insulin sensitivity across the remainder of your day. Together, these three foods create what modern nutritional researchers call a protein-fiber matrix. This protective matrix keeps your blood sugar perfectly flat while making amino acids constantly available. It also keeps systemic inflammation extremely low for 4 to 5 hours after you finish eating. This biological stability is absolutely critical for seniors who want to preserve their muscle mass. A groundbreaking study from the University of Toronto confirmed this exact prolonged effect. Researchers found that lentil-based meals produced a significantly lower blood glucose response. This was compared to equivalent calorie meals from bread or rice alone. The protective effect even carried over to forcefully reduce the blood sugar spike from the very next meal. This carried over even when that next meal was eaten hours later. Now get ready, because this next one is even more powerful. The biological synergy here is absolutely incredible. When you mash the oily sardines directly into the cooked lentils, the marine fats slow the digestion. They slow the carbohydrate digestion even further. Your aging body receives a steady drip of muscle-building amino acids. This prevents a sudden flood that your body must process and clear. This highly effective combination costs under 63 cents and takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. You simply open the cheap tin and mash everything together on a single slice of dark rye bread. You will never feel that debilitating afternoon slump ever again. Number 2, the Atlas snack, whole milk kefir with ground flaxseed. Decades ago, serious physical culturists consumed raw whole milk between meals as a mandatory daily recovery drink. They understood intuitively that whole dairy provided a massive biological advantage. Isolated protein powders simply could not replicate this advantage. Today, we have successfully updated that historical habit for modern seniors. We do this by combining whole milk kefir with ground flaxseed. Whole milk kefir is a potent fermented dairy drink. It contains 10 to 12 billion live probiotic cultures inside every single cup. Ground flaxseed turns this simple beverage into an absolute gut-healing superpower for aging bodies. Most people do not know this, but your gap between meals is far too long. Most seniors mistakenly believe they are losing their muscle mass because they eat too little protein at dinner. The biological truth is entirely different. Cortisol rises completely unchecked in your bloodstream during the mid-afternoon hours. This stress hormone actively breaks down your hard-earned muscle tissue to fuel your basic organ function. Kefir aggressively addresses this hidden crisis in two very distinct biological ways. Its highly bioavailable casein and whey proteins provide a fast-absorbing leucine hit to your system. This immediately restarts your muscle protein synthesis within 30 minutes of consumption. The kefir also contains specific probiotic strains, which are known as Lactobacillus kefiri. these strains powerfully reduce cortisol-driven gut permeability. This is the infamous leaky gut process. This process generates the systemic inflammation underlying most age-related muscle loss. The ground flaxseed adds highly effective lignans to the digestive equation. Lignans are specialized dietary compounds that actively modulate estrogen activity in aging men and women alike. This hormonal modulation helps reduce the cascading inflammatory signals that accelerate muscle loss. A randomized clinical trial from the University of Vermont confirmed this exact physiological mechanism. They found that kefir consumption in adults over 60 significantly improved markers of gut barrier integrity. It drastically reduced systemic inflammatory markers within just 4 weeks of daily use. The absolute greatest biological effect was seen in the subjects who also consumed dietary fiber. This was seen when they consumed the fiber alongside the fermented kefir. This is exactly what the spoonful of ground flaxseed provides to your digestive system. You are simultaneously rebuilding your damaged gut lining while actively reducing your systemic cortisol. You are also delivering a second massive wave of leucine. This keeps muscle protein synthesis running strong through the entire afternoon. This mixture takes exactly 10 seconds to prepare and costs roughly 40 cents per serving. It completely stops afternoon muscle wasting dead in its tracks. Number 1. The Atlas Dinner, pan-fried beef liver with caramelized onions and mashed turnips. For countless generations, cheap beef liver was the absolute centerpiece of the evening meal for hard-working families. Charles Atlas consumed this specific organ meat 2 to 3 times per week throughout his legendary career. It was quite simply the most nutrient-dense food he could possibly buy on a strict working-class budget. Today, modern science clearly shows it is the single most complete muscle-building, hormone-supporting, energy-restoring meal. It is the best thing an aging senior can eat. It costs under $1.20 per generous serving. Absolutely no modern chemical supplement stack can replicate what 100 grams of this incredible meat delivers. Beef liver is the most highly concentrated natural source of vitamin B12 retinol, CoQ10 copper zinc, and heme iron. It beats any other food in existence. All of these vital nutrients arrive in forms the human body absorbs immediately without any metabolic conversion. This matters enormously for the daily function of seniors. Vitamin B12 deficiency silently affects up to 43% of all adults over the age of 65. This specific deficiency directly causes the nerve signal slowdown that makes aging muscles fire slowly. It makes your daily balance deteriorate and makes your physical reaction time lag dangerously. A single serving of beef liver provides over 3,000% of your daily B12 requirement. This massive dose is enough to completely reverse a moderate deficiency within 2 to 3 weeks. You just need consistent weekly consumption. But here is the shocking part. The caramelized onions are absolutely not incidental to this powerful meal. Their high quercetin content actively inhibits aromatase, the specific enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen in your peripheral tissue. Their dense inulin fiber actively feeds the gut bacteria that produce butyrate overnight. Butyrate is the miraculous compound that repairs your intestinal gut lining while you are fast asleep. Mashed turnips perfectly replace the blood sugar spiking mashed potato on your dinner plate. They add protective glucosinolates, which are powerful compounds that support total liver detoxification. This specific process helps the aging body clear the excess cortisol produced during a stressful day. Groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School confirmed this massive metabolic advantage. They found that heme iron from organ meats is absorbed at a highly accelerated rate. It is absorbed 2 to 3 times faster than plant-based iron sources. Consistent organ meat consumption in older adults was independently associated with significantly higher retained lean mass. It also resulted in better cognitive scores and much lower inflammatory markers. This was compared to diets relying only on muscle meats. Dinner is the crucial meal that completely determines your overnight physical recovery. Overnight recovery is when every physical adaptation from the day either successfully happens or is lost completely. This specific ancestral meal delivers the exact raw materials your body desperately needs. It successfully rebuilds your muscle tissue while you sleep. Your aging body was fundamentally built to run on real whole food. The latest science now conclusively confirms a powerful historical truth. The physical culture icons of the past were not simply making do with inferior nutrition. They were accidentally eating in absolutely perfect alignment with the complex biochemistry of aging muscle. Whole eggs and dark molasses deliver concentrated iron and complete protein with absolutely zero wasted metabolic energy. Sardines and cooked lentils match the exact blood sugar control of expensive pharmaceutical drugs for mere pennies. Fermented kefir and ground flaxseed stop afternoon muscle wasting by completely shutting down stress cortisol at the source. Traditional beef liver brilliantly replenishes the exact vital compounds that modern daily life quietly steals from your nervous system. Not one of these powerful ancestral foods requires a doctor prescription. They require only the firm personal decision to start taking your physiology seriously. Your muscle tissue aggressively responds to what you give it, regardless of your current chronological age. You possess far more biological leverage than you have ever been told by the mainstream media. Now we want to hear directly from you. Which of these 4 forgotten nutritional powerhouses are you going to add to your daily routine first? Have you ever eaten any of them in the past without knowing what they were actually doing for your body? Share your personal answer in the comments below because we read every single one. Stay strong, keep moving, and we will see you in the very next video.